Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 12th, 2025, and we're diving into Kraft Heinz's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Kraft Heinz has had an interesting year, and there's a lot to unpack from their latest earnings report.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kraft Heinz reported net sales of $6.6 billion for the fourth quarter, a 4.1% decrease from the previous year. John, what are the key factors behind this decline?
The decline in net sales is primarily due to unfavorable volume and mix, which fell by 4.1 percentage points. This was driven by shifts in consumer behavior amid economic uncertainty and a decline in the U.S. away-from-home segment. However, they managed to increase prices by 1.0 percentage point to mitigate higher input costs.
Despite the sales drop, the adjusted EPS for the quarter was 84 cents, up 7.7%. How did Kraft Heinz achieve this?
The increase in adjusted EPS was largely due to lower taxes on adjusted earnings and fewer shares outstanding. This reflects their strategic focus on maintaining profitability even in challenging market conditions.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Kraft Heinz's gross profit margin increased by 30 basis points to 34.1% in Q4. What does this tell us about their operational strategy?
This margin expansion indicates that Kraft Heinz is effectively managing its cost structure, particularly through efficiency initiatives in procurement and logistics. Despite the sales decline, they are focusing on maintaining strong margins.
Looking ahead, Kraft Heinz has provided a cautious outlook for 2025, expecting organic net sales to be flat to down 2.5%. What are the implications of this guidance?
The guidance reflects ongoing challenges in the market, including economic uncertainty and competitive pressures. However, Kraft Heinz is committed to strategic investments in product innovation and expanding distribution in emerging markets, which could drive future growth.
EPS forecast and market reaction. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 78 for the quarter, but Kraft Heinz delivered an adjusted EPS of 84 cents. How has the market reacted to this beat?
The market has reacted positively to Kraft Heinz exceeding EPS expectations. This performance demonstrates their ability to manage costs and improve profitability, which is reassuring to investors amid broader market challenges.
What does this mean for Kraft Heinz's stock moving forward?
Beating EPS forecasts can boost investor confidence and potentially lead to upward momentum in the stock price. However, sustained performance will depend on their ability to navigate the challenges outlined in their 2025 outlook.
CEO Strategic Insights. CEO Carlos Abrams-Rivera mentioned the company's focus on executing strategic pillars and driving brand growth. How does this align with their current performance?
CEO Abrams-Rivera emphasized leveraging existing initiatives to drive brand superiority and expand in emerging markets. This strategic focus is crucial for long-term growth, especially as they navigate current market challenges.
What are the key takeaways from his statements?
The key takeaway is Kraft Heinz's commitment to making necessary investments for top-line improvement while maintaining discipline in profitability. This balanced approach is aimed at achieving consistent long-term growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Kraft Heinz faced a challenging year with a decline in net sales, but managed to improve profitability and cash flow. John, what are the investment prospects for Kraft Heinz moving forward?
Kraft Heinz's focus on operational efficiencies and strategic investments positions them well for future growth. While there are challenges ahead, their ability to maintain strong margins and cash flow is a positive sign for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kraft Heinz's performance in the comments below.